Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs that we have on our watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week and how we can take advantage of them. If that sounds interesting, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. So we're going to start off with Jpyx, the Japanese yen basket. Obviously, we can see that the trend is clearly now in a downtrend. We had anticipated after prices broke below here, we anticipated to see a retracement here, a retest, and then a continuation. So after that continuation, we can see that after that anticipation, you can see that prices did exactly that. And we actually took advantage of the move by taking this trade on CAD JPY on our VIP. And we can see it played out well. So yeah, after this, prices broke, gave us a retest, we took advantage of the move, and then prices just took off. Now, what do we anticipate to see happen next on JPYX is prices, we can see that it's kind of losing momentum. It's kind of losing momentum right now. As you can see, for the last 2 days of the week, prices didn't really have that solid volume. So right now, what I'll be anticipating is to see prices come back on this structure somewhere here. As you can see, it has been retested multiple times in the past, right here, right here, right here, here, and here. So what I'm anticipating to see right now is prices retrace a bit before it continues finishing this bearish move, because I anticipate to see prices retrace until some, or push down until somewhere here before we actually know what's really going on. Because obviously once prices reach here, we're going to see, to check the volume, the structure, the trend, the momentum, all that, before we anticipate if prices are going to break below or they're going to bounce above, right? But currently what I'll be anticipating to see is that prices retrace until somewhere here and then continue pushing lower. Now, how will that be impacting other JPYX pairs? On CAD JPY, I'll be anticipating to see a retracement until somewhere here before we see that continuation. On Euro JPY, prices we can see have already broken above here. So I'll be anticipating to see prices retrace before we get that solid move. On USD JPY, prices have also already broken above here. So I'll be anticipating to see prices retrace. As you can see also on USD JPY, how prices have the last 2 days on Thursday and Friday closed with a lack of momentum. And on top of that, prices are also on this resistance structure. So obviously we'll be anticipating to see prices retrace, gain a little bit of solid bullish momentum right here before they take off all the way until somewhere up there. That's what I anticipate to see happen on USD JPY. Now, that's what I'm anticipating to see how prices are going to play out on JPYX this coming week. Now, on DXY, obviously, we still had our solid bias, a solid bullish bias. As you can see, prices have also already broken above this trend line. DXY, we're talking about the US dollar currency pairs. Guys, if you're gaining value from this video, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe because more content is coming. USD JP, this is the US dollar currency. Prices, we can see how they was losing momentum after prices reached midweek. So I'll be anticipating to see a retracement on this structure before we see that continuation. Now, how will this be impacting the US pairs? Obviously, USD JPY, same thing will be applying. Euro USD, I'll be anticipating to see some kind of a retracement, right? Before we see that continuation. On GBP USD, prices are still, a little bit shaky, a little bit ranging in here. Prices are still ranging in here. but obviously we are anticipating to see a bearish move on this pair because it's inversely correlated to DXY. So I'll be anticipating a break, a retest, and then a continuation. After prices break out of that range, I'll be looking for entries. Gold, same thing applies. You can see prices have already broken below this low, indicating prices are pushing lower. The trend is clearly bearish, so we'll just be looking for entries, confirmation and entries for prices to keep on pushing lower. So that's my view on the currency pairs this coming week that are on my watch list. If you found value in this video, guys, don't forget to like, share with a few friends that you believe will also find value. Join our free Telegram that's linked in the description because we share more breakdowns in there. And with that being said, I wish we have a great trading week and take it easy out there. Peace.